At Excel Dental, you can expect clinical excellence in an environment that's going to help you feel comfortable while you're here. That environment is going to include a lot of fun along the way.
We love coming to work here. We enjoy every day that we get to practice. It's a blessing to us and it's a blessing to our team, and we really want to be a blessing to our patients. We try not to surprise anybody with anything. We try to be an open book and really let our patients feel what we feel coming to work, and that, we're enjoying being here. We want to take really good care of them.
At Excel Dental, you can expect the nicest, friendliest, welcoming people that you could ever imagine. I had a lady the other day, one of my clients, that I told her about them, and she told me, Kelly, you are the only person that I've asked that said they actually loved their dentist. No one else liked their dentist at all, and I love mine.
I was always very self-conscious about my smile. And when Dr. Nick told me that he could fix what my problem was, I was kind of reluctant, almost scared. And he did it. He made a smile for me that I don't have to worry about anymore. Over the years, Dr. Nick has taken great care of me and my family, and we trust him with all our dental needs.
When you come in, you feel good, and they take care of you. On emergency situations, I've had emergency where, this just happened to me a couple weeks ago, where I had a crown loosen up, and they got me right in. I mean, it wasn't, well, we'll see you next Thursday or whatever. They worked you right in. They're just good people.
I think the most important attribute a dentist can have is the ability to listen. And a dentist that will give you the time to tell your story and identify what your fears are, and then very quickly make adjustments to soothe those, are outstanding dentists. And I believe Dr. Tracy to be one of those dentists.